In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment reminder workflow in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a reliable, automated system that nudges clients at the right time, reduces no-shows, and keeps your calendar running smoothly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official GoHighLevel website. Then sign into your account to reach the main dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Automations. This is the control center where we'll build the workflow. Choose Create Workflow, then select Start from Scratch so you have full control over each step and message. Next, add your trigger. Click Add Trigger and select either Appointment Status or Appointment Booked. For most reminder flows, Appointment Booked is the simplest choice. Configure the trigger to run the moment a new appointment is scheduled, and click Save Trigger. This ensures every booked appointment flows into the automation automatically. Now add a short delay so the first reminder goes out at the right time. Click plus add action, select wait, and set it to delay until your chosen window, such as 24 hours before the appointment. Double check your account time zone and calendar settings so the timing aligns with your client's expectations. After the wait, add the reminder message. Click plus add action again, then choose Send SMS or Send Email, depending on how you want to reach your clients. Keep the wording clear and friendly. In the message editor, include the essentials, the appointment date, the time, and either the location or a meeting link. A concise example could be, friendly reminder, your appointment is on date, at time. Join here, link, or arrive at location. If you want more than one reminder, repeat the pattern of a wait action followed by another message, such as an additional reminder 1 hour before the appointment. Space these thoughtfully so clients are informed without feeling overwhelmed, and be mindful of quiet hours. When everything looks good, save your work and turn it on by clicking Publish or Turn On. Always test the workflow before using it with real clients. Book a test appointment to your own number or email and confirm that each reminder arrives on schedule with the correct details. Finally, keep an eye on performance. Open your workflow logs to verify that appointments are entering the automation and messages are sending as expected. If something looks off, review the trigger conditions, timing, and message settings, then adjust as needed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.